Okay, here we go. Let me check. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Let me check my mic. Okay, here we go. Let me check. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good. Check my mic and everything. Those who are watching me live, am I audible? Yeah. Okay. Just checking whether I'm live on LinkedIn too or not. Allow me a few minutes, then we'll kickstart this. Okay, yes. I'm live on LinkedIn too. Okay. Second tube. Need to make sure that everywhere you guys can watch me live. Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. So, those who does not know me, especially the parents and kids watching me live over there. So, I am Anand Jha. I am basically the founder, CEO, director, mentor, and trainer at Analytics with Anand. So, this journey of starting Analytics with Anand way back started 3 years back when I ventured into completely into training folks on all the emerging technology day in and day out in the data analytics segment. So today I'm here bringing you a very exciting course specially designed for all the juniors out there, those who are 30 years of age and above. So basically this is the entire Python course which has been designed for you people if you are in grade 8th and above, not below grade 8. If you are grade 8 and above, be it in any school, CBSE, ICSE, or any board, state board, you belong from any part of the country or any part of the world, this course is only for those folks, those who wants to venture into the era of coding, because you have seen how AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning has havoc the entire nation world. So it's the right time. If early, if you start it later on, next 5 or 10 years down the line, it will become very easy for you. That's the reason I have brought this course for all of you, right? So that you can start learning Python at a very early stage. Now, if you have got any chance to look over what are the things happening in the day-to-day world, like we have ChatGPT coming, we have Google Gemini coming, right? These days, you have any homework given by the teacher? I know most of the kids, you guys are familiar with ChatGPT, right? You will just write over there and ChatGPT will give you the solution. But when it comes to the debugging, then the real crux happens over there, right? So this is where this entire course of mastering Python for juniors, where I'll make you from zero to hero in the next 3 months. See, Python is like an ocean. right? Nobody can make you super strong in 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. I will teach you in 3 months such core competencies of Python through which you can design any in-house app. You can work under me directly. That's the major advantages which no other platform in the world will currently give you. You can directly work under me. You can intern under me. Right. If you have seen Elon Musk, how does he post the job? Right. There's no requirement. Even a school grade can crack that challenge which he is posting. You'll be able to get a job. Same things happen here, right? If you are very well versed with Python after this course, you get a chance to work for the freelancing project directly under me. So you can earn also at right this stage. So this is all for those parents who are hearing me out. Only enroll your kids in this course if he or she is interested in coding. This is not for all the kids, right? Only those kids who want to venture into the era of coding, those who like computer science, those who wants to develop an interest, right? Suppose if you don't know that your child whether is interested or not, you can let him or her enroll in this course, and then we'll see whether he or she is able to tackle these concepts or not. If he or she is comfortable, he or she can continue, else they can drop off. So it's totally free for all of you. You can join. First class is absolutely free, right? And later on, you can see how this course goes further down the line. Along with me, we have an in-house faculty, Prachi, who takes care of the Python. And then we have especially Anisha. Case she'll be joining you, who will be talking more about the Python. She's also Google certified, right? And then we have one of my nephews, Sorya, right? He is good in Python, so he will be like a mentor kind of thing for all of the kids. So that's why you see him in the picture. So we have culminated this program in such a way so that any kids who is 13 years and above, who is in 8th grade and above, 9th grade, 10, 11, 12, does not matter. This course is there for you. If you start early Python now, things will become very, very easy when you reach further down the line, post in college, after 12. Suppose you want to take computer science, engineering, or you want to do masters later on. This course is there for you. It will give you a base. Now, Python, again and again, I'm saying it's an ocean. You cannot master in few months, right? So if you start now, this will be like a journey for you, and I'm there till your lifetime. It's not like that I'm only there till your course. No, until and unless after your course also, I'll give you a lot of freelancing projects. You can really earn well, but for that, you have to work really hard. All I'm asking you, this will be a weekend program, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. every Saturday, Sunday. Just give me 2 hours of your valuable time every Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to Friday. You can continue with your schoolwork. Okay, so this is how this entire course will be designing. Will be walking you through the entire syllabus. Right. The reason I have kick-started on this 15th August because later on enrollments are happening. So if I get the right number of students further, then I'll kick-start this journey. So this video I'm especially making for all the parents and all the kids. So watch this. If you're not joined us live, later on you can watch this. You have my number on the screen. You have my email ID. You have my LinkedIn profile. Feel free to call me anytime and I'll be happy to help you over there. Right. So I'll be giving you a complete walkthrough how this course works, what are the course module. Now, this is not a typical Python course which you see anywhere XYZ on the line. Recently, I won't name the company. They have lewd a lot of money from you people designing this just app that is completely a crap. You're not going to learn anything. Right? You will not learn anything. So this will be a structured program right from the complete basics till maximum level, whatever you can digest. I will feed you that much knowledge and slowly we'll take it further down the line. At the end of the course, you will be well versed to take up any of the challenge which I throw it to you, be it your IT company, be it your IT job related work or any automation work, any freelancing work, which I get it from the external source and I will give it to you. You will get chance to work on the real industry project, which nowhere in the world anyone will give you. That's the main USP of this course. So this is what all about the overall picture I have given you, right? Which you can go through it. And we have now, I'll ask Prachi to introduce herself and how she'll be helping you in this course. Soon, Anisha will also be joining with us, right? And then she'll be also talking about her part. So we all three are there. I think Surya is not available today. So we all three are there to help you anytime, right? And this will be, let me tell you, this will be a completely live course. Okay, this will be a completely live course. This is not any recording videos. So Saturday, Sunday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Again, I'm reiterating, completely have kept on Saturday, Sunday, so that it does not interfere with your school. Many of you, those who are having school on Saturday, you can watch the video, because every class will get recorded. So you can watch the video Saturday night, and then you can come on the Sunday morning class, sorry, Sunday afternoon class. Okay, so this is how the entire course structure has been designed. Right, over to you, Prachi. Can you hear me?
Hi, hello everyone. Hi, Anand.
Yes, hi, hello, hello, hello. Yeah. So just go ahead and introduce
Okay,
yourself a bit, what all will be covering. Just give a brief idea to all the parents or kids, those who are watching us live. Yeah.
yeah. So, hello everyone. I'm Prachi Kabra. I'm a full-time data engineer and part-time trainer. So, I'm working with analytics with Anand from the last 1.5 year. So, I'm completely taking care of the Python. So, I have almost taught 3 to 4 batch, 4 to 5 batch, almost 4 to 5 batch, I think.
Mhm,
And yeah, so we have started this kids because I saw in today's time, like in lots of school or now in terms of me as well, like AI is coming.
mhm,
So lots of competition is there, right? So if we e- even though I am not able to accept the things that how it is working,
mhm,
how can we teach the childrens to grow, accept this AI, learn this AI things, right? So here we thought about this thing, and we have designed this Python course.
mhm,
And here we are help the childrens to learn the Python, so that they can we can understand their interest, what actually they want to
mhm,
learn, what actually they want to create, maybe in terms of like maybe your kids in ninth class, 10th class, 11th class, whatever it is. And if he or she wants to create his own AI,
mhm.
maybe, so how he will or she will know that how to create it if he or she doesn't know how to write a code, right? So
Exactly.
yeah, so that's what the thinking. We have planned this course, the entire course. We are going to cover the projects. We are going to, you know, uh, from the very scratch. If you don't know anything about the
Mhm,
Python, what it is, even though you don't know about the code, what is coding, we
mhm.
are going to start from that scratch.
Right, 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 right. Okay, so this entire syllabus which I'll be walking through, guys, has been designed by Prachi. Now we have Anisha also on the screen. You can see her. So these two very beautiful lady I have got you, especially so that you can interact with them anytime. I will be also there, right, most of the time. But these two people, Prachi and Anisha, will be taking care of your entire Python journey down the line. Now over to you, Anisha. If you can introduce yourself and give a brief walkthrough about yourself. Yeah.
Okay, I'm Anisha K. I'm a Google certified data analyst and I have over 2 years experience working with the data and I'm skilled in Python. I do have certification, professional certification from Anaconda for Python. Yeah, I do
Great.
have multiple certification. I
Super.
do create a small, like beginner friendly and but an advanced level learning, which will be
Okay.
simple and mainly interact with the students in a fun way that would be more easy and to learn and everything. Yeah.
Great, great, great. Good to have you. Just I have one basic question to you and especially to Prachi. How do you see it? Because this there's a skeptic thing in the minds of the parent. Now, this is the age where children used to go out, play cricket, badminton, or sports. Never to decline, that's fine, but this course, there should not be a scenario where parents feel that my child should learn coding at this age. No, this course is only for those children who likes to venture into the era of coding. It's not for all the children. If you don't like coding, you don't have to join this course. Simple as that. This is only, especially we have designed this course keeping in mind certain children aspect, only those, because we have seen many people, they have their company set up at the age of 13, 14 people. People are earning in crores, right? So this specifically caters to those children who have an inclination towards coding. So how do you see this? How do you see this from parent side? Consider from the parent side how they will take this course, whether I should go for this or not. What is your intake on this point? Yeah, to you both.
It's main
Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's mainly we know that AI is changing the world, but and Python is the language behind the transformation. And earlier the kids learn Python, the earlier they can start building the project and solving problems,
Correct.
and even exploring the freelancing opportunities. And that will be great for kids.
Okay. Great.
So it's gonna lead a great change um, in future generation. Yeah.
Okay. Over to you, Prachi. What do you think?
So first thing, if I would not join anyway, like if I talk about my past, if I haven't joined Python course or I haven't learned that, then how would I know that my interest in the Python, right?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
if we start in the
Yeah.
ninth and 10th class, 8th class, so that time it's like mind is very fresh. We are
Exactly.
on the learning
Mhm.
phase. So that time we can understand that what actually we want, what actually we want in our future, what actually we
Mhm.
want to become in future.
Mhm.
So I think if you don't know that, yeah, my kid having the interest or not, so he or she should join the course at least for the first time, that he will or she will understand that, yeah, now I'm getting the interest. Or
Mhm.
it may be possible that your kid no don't want to join the course,
Mhm.
but you can ask them that maybe they got the interest in that, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, great, great.
Mhm.
That's what if we start, because these days the world has changed drastically with the advent of ChatGPT coming into picture. Last night I remember I was just debugging one line of code. It took me 6 hours, right? So it's not about just learning the Python. It's about the art of developing that problem-solving skills. If you imbibe that early in this stage, which is the right stage, 13 years or 14 years of age, then your journey becomes very smooth. If you want to pursue engineering background further deep down the line, you are already your platform is already set. You don't have to do anything at all after that. Just walk along, and simply the journey will become very very fruitful and exciting. That's the motive behind bringing this course. Yeah,
Even though if we are taking after 12th, like which stream we have to take, I have decided I want to take an engineering stream.
correct.
But even that time I was not aware that I have to take this much of coding background and each and everything, right? I have taken the electronics and communication, right? But that time I was not aware about all the things. If I was aware that I can take the exact, like, okay, I am interested in Python and I need to take the CS only, that I have decided that time.
Exactly. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's quickly walk through the syllabus. I want you both to be there on the call for some time. Just be there. 1 second, let me
Yes,
share
yes,
my
right
screen.
here.
Yeah. Uh, Second, let me stop this screen share. Yeah, Prachi, just walk through us through the syllabus. Yeah, I'll also be helping you. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah. So this is
Okay,
what.
so
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, so basically, we have designed the syllabus for the 14 week, right? Including all the doubts, all the project, all the topics. Okay, we are starting from the basic. Also, we are taking the like we are not just going through with the course. We are taking the classes. It's in funly manner, so
Hmm.
that kids can take get interacted. Each class will be interacted, no, not like you are on a mute and you have to just listen to us, but each
Exactly.
class will include the practical things.
Yeah,
You have to work with us, you have to learn coding, you have to learn with us, and even though you have to take the coding with us. Anyways,
exactly.
like if we are writing 2 lines of code as well, you have to write in your screen. We are going to install all the softwares, everything. Okay. And even though we are going to start from the basics, so like what is Python, what is coding, how it is internally working,
Mhm,
each and everything, installation, the complete software installation we are
mhm,
going to complete. Then
mhm,
how the print statement, even though we have covered few AIs as well, like Replit AI is there, so that kids can understand that if
mhm,
he or she
mhm,
wants to create or build any app,
mhm,
how he can take or she can take the help from AI, right?
mhm, mhm, mhm.
And what are the basic things, even though we have taken the name in colors, so that kids can understand how it's working, and it will be fun for them,
Exactly. And
so
plus
that they can
we
get
have
the
this
interest.
we have this mini project also, simple personal expense tracker. So day in and day out, their parents have certain expense, how much purchase they are doing out on the stationery items and all those things. So we have a very simple personal expense tracker which they can design in house, and they can keep a track like we have Splitwise, right, on the Google App Store. So similar kind of things we have planned here also. The first mini project they'll be working on simple personal expense tracker once we have covered the basics and the week 2. Then we also have in the week 3 we have an interactive quiz game with scoring, right, which they can design
Yeah,
this right in the week 3. Then week 4 we'll talking about your loops and repetition, how this loops works. And then this again one mini project, number guessing game with replay option. So all this will imbibe them the basics Python concept and how they can use
yeah,
it fruitfully, right? This is not
yeah,
just working on this mini project, because this will give you a roadmap, a pillar basically for all the freelancing project which me and Prachi will give you straight from the company, how we can imbibe this knowledge for working for the company project, how this is being used in the company. Say I'm studying while loop, for loop, how will I come to know Prachi ma'am or Anand sir or Anisha ma'am whether I have to use this for loop in my project or not? That thinking, that is
yes,
what I said, problem solving skill. We are there to imbibe you with that problem solving
yes.
skills. Yeah.
Even though we have covered the complete data structure, which is now it's very important for the later on the for the you can say interview perspective as well. If you want to start your earning on early ages, then you can start with that, because for the to clear the interview anyways, they need the basic things first.
Exactly. And even this custom calculator with many options, this we have designed for our current data analytics batch also, right? We have taught this.
Yeah,
So it's the same thing we are teaching to you people also, custom calculator, how the exception handling works, all this complex scenario, and we'll make it very, very easy. It's not like a typical way. That's why you have Prachi and Anisha taking care. It's not a typical way which we teach our current data analytics batch, because you guys are kids. So we have to take it in a very nice
yes,
manner with a fun activity. And don't worry, 2 hours you will sit. It's not like entire 2 hour session. We will have bifurcated with fun activity with some quiz. We will get to know more about you. So this will be like more of a friendly environment rather than just a mere
yeah,
coding. That's why we have designed this in entire 14 weeks. Although Python, it's an ocean. Still, we are learning. I'm 8 years experience. Prachi has 3 4 years. Anisha has 3 4 years. Still, we are learning. Imagine that. So nobody can make you. We are
yes.
not claiming you that we will make you pro in Python. No, it's not possible in 3 months. No, no one can. No one can. It's a journey. We will set you on a journey from today onwards, so that your problem solving skill, your debugging skills, if any error comes in the code, how you can incorporate chat GPT, how you incorporate AI, that skills we will imbibe in you. Okay, that's the motive
Even though
behind. Yeah.
if kids are learn from this much of scratch, and later on if they thought like they got any idea and their problem solving skill is very strong, then they can build their thoughts in app, how they
Yes.
want to process what actually the things they want in their app, that can be happen if your kids can learn the Python from the scratch.
Imagine, Prachi, this one, the last 51 one, Yanisha, even you will agree. Remember those days when we were studying in the school, teachers used to spend long hours in finalizing marks, English, mein kitna aaya, maths, how much English, then the
Yes,
total one. What if you can design an app for her and let her feed the marks directly? It will extract the data from the CSV file, and you will have a
yeah,
full-fledged report. You just select the student and the entire report card is ready down the line. So you can help your
yes,
school people also in designing all of this. So we have this entire picture. This is not just a course which will you will learn and you will vanish away. No, you have to inculcate this in your day-to-day activity, in your school, in your tracking, what all you are studying. Right, everything like a tracker kind of thing, you can create it completely out of scratch. And I will teach you also how to publish this app and everything. We will teach a lot of interesting
yeah.
things are there.
if your kid had built some module, everyone can use it.
Yeah,
Imagine.
exactly. Exactly. Household expense tracker, the most important one. You can manage your entire household expense. I will teach you also, I will teach you personally a certain machine learning algorithm where suppose in your every month your expense is 5,000, how you can make it down to 4,500 or how you can bring down to 4,000. That also will teach you. Now, entire machine learning, AI, cloud computing, everything relies on the Python. You have seen how the world has moved. Entire coding is happening in Python. That's why it's a sincere request to all the parents out there, rather than your kids wasting a lot of hours in video games, spend some time in learning this. And fee is very,
Yes.
very nominal. It's not that we have charged 50,000 or 60,000. If you see this Independence Day, if I apply the coupon, it has comes directly to 4,000 rupees. If you go to a restaurant and if you sit, just this will come more than that for a single lunch or
Yes.
dinner. So we have
Yes.
kept just 4,000 rupees. This is nothing in today's world. This is the most affordable course which you can imagine. I know an institute called XYZ, which has come before. They have charged 60,000 rupees, 80,000 rupees from you.
Yes.
And we are teaching you live. Three faculties are there. I am there, Prachi is there, Anisha is there. And that too 4,200. That too live. And this you will get in return. We'll give you a freelancing project and you can earn this in 1 month itself. So basically you are learning everything for free, right? So go ahead and check out all of these details. So syllabus already we have given you a walkthrough. I'm not going word by word. The syllabus is already there. The link has been given in the description of this video. Entire course details has been given in the description of this video. My number is there. Feel free to call or text. Go to the website and you can reach out to us anytime. If you want to speak to Prachi, if you want to speak to Anisha, reach out to me. You feel free to speak to them. I'll give their number. Any parents, those who are hearing us, you can speak to any of my faculty. That's the open. Here there's no salesperson, there's no any mediocre. We are not selling any course here. We are selling values, right? Which will make your child benefit in the future run. And this is the early stage. If you start early now only, you will see the great improvement in your child's education.
I agree.
Right. So these are all of the project. Bonus session, the most important one. How to find freelancing project online. This I'm gonna teach you completely on Fiverr, on Upwork. And not only on this, we will give you the free language. Me and Prachi, we spend a lot of time in Python coding, right? So we will give it to you. This is the piece of code. Can you help us in debug? So our time is also get, and
Yes.
you get paid for all this. It's not we are asking you to do it
Imagine
free of
if
cost.
your kid has started earning and
Yes,
he is able to pay his college fees, his school fees.
exactly.
Imagine that thing.
Yes. So that's what I have written in the bonus session. How to deliver a Python project professionally. How the professional at the IT level, how the coding works. Why VS Code is used. Which all platform do we use to write the Python code. How to write proposal and communicate with client. That also, it's not just the coding. It's the way your communication skills will develop, how you can articulate things, your debugging skills will develop, yeah, your problem solving skills, how do you approach a problem. Say you want to design a
Yes.
sales report generator, this is the one, line number 62 which I'm talking about, how you can design an entire dashboard in Streamlit. Everything we're going to teach you in
Mm.
the next three
Yeah.
months Okay, so these are all the beauty of this course, right? So that's all I have. Thanks Prachi and Anisha for joining, right? So we'll soon
Thank you
see
so
you
much.
guys. So already the link is there. Go
Thank you
ahead
so
and
much.
enroll. The reason we kick started on this 15th August because we wanted to show you what we are bringing in. Still enrollments are going in. So we will planning to start in the first week of September, hopefully. Right? So we have
Yeah.
15 days of time. So feel free to, if you have any inquiry, any issue, just feel free to call us. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks,
Thank you
Anisha.
so
Thanks, Prachi.
much. Thank
Thank
you so
you
much.
so much.
Yeah. So, guys, you saw Prachi and Anisha, the two most eminent faculties out there who will be covering your entire Python course. Now, let me share you how you can enroll in this course completely. So, you have to go to Analytics with Anand, right? You have to go to the Analytics with Anand. If you are in, suppose in the Home tab, press Analytics with Anand, go to More, go to Courses, okay? And then here you will see already here. Junior Python Master from 0 to here. Now, course is 5,200 rupees with GST and everything. Now, Independence Day offer is going on. If you apply the coupon code, it expires in next 3 days. I've given till Sunday, so if you apply this, you get just in 4,209. This is the most affordable course ever in the entire world. You can get it completely live. Completely live. Right? Ideally, if you see another XYZ platform, this course they would have charged you 50,000 rupees for this. I'm charging you just 4,000 rupees. It's nothing compared to what all course you see it online. Right? And all your children gets a lot of things, and in return they can earn this in return with the help of freelancing project. They get exposure to practical industry. These are all instructor-led live classes, so even if your child misses any of this session, they can go through and go through the live session, the recorded session also. Course is accessible completely on app is there already on the app store, and also it is there on the website, right? So that, correct? Everything, every Saturday and Sunday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I have kept it IST live online. It's a 3 months program. As I've told you, you get a course completion certificate rewards for outstanding performer. That also you get it for everyone. Course certification, everyone. You have a mentorship. We have a Shaurya mentorship, instead of dedicated junior mentor, right? And this is the week by week bifurcation which we have kept it. Right? Post course, what you get all this live session, junior mentor support, study material, project review, freelancing guidance, certification, right? I'll give you all the freelancing project which I get from IT Bombay, which I'm doing PhD currently under. And the new batch, which we said it's starting from today, but will kickstart from the first week of September, right? First week of September. Those who don't know me, again, I'm repeating it. I'm the founder, CEO, director of Analytics with Anand, and yeah, I have hold around 8+ years of experience in multiple industry. I have completed my master's from BITS Pilani, bachelor's from PS Institute of Technology, and currently pursuing my PhD from IIT Bombay. Right? So this is the gist about me, Anisha, and already Prachi have told you. So think about it. Just give it a shot. This is a sincere request to all the kids and parents watching me out there. If you have any issue, any concern, you have my number. Just feel free to call me, and I'll soon be seeing you. Wishing you again a very happy Independence Day. Do subscribe to this channel, share with your friends and family, and let the data do the talking. Bye-bye. Take care.